Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as usual, I have another Zulily unboxing to do, and I don't remember what's in this box, so I'm pretty much excited because I always feel like it's Christmas time when I get these boxes, and I usually wait until I have a few boxes before I start opening. That way, you know, I wouldn't know what's in there, so it would be kind of like a surprise, although I was the one ordering these things. So we will jump right into opening up this box. So there's quite a few things in here, and it's going to be about 4 things it looks like. So the first thing I'm pulling out would be these boots, and I'm gonna show you them better in a minute. So this is called the Cognac side button boot, and it's in a size 7/8. Looks a little bit big. I usually go bigger for boots because then I can wear my thicker socks with them, because wintertime is so cold some days and you really need that extra set of heavier stuff to wear. So this is what it looks like. That's the sole, and it's not too tall, so that's a nice length. And the inside is got the, I think it's fleece all the way in, right down to the ankles. It's the fleecy type or furry material. It'll probably fit. I hope it's comfortable because most likely I'll be doing a lot of walking in these, and you know, I want it to fit properly. So that was the boots. Okay, and the next thing I'm showing you is this handbag, and that is the another Cognac lace flap crossbody bag. So this is cute, and so it's not too many compartments, I don't think. Yeah, it's just the one. It doesn't have a zippered compartment in there, like, you know, those little inside pockets. It doesn't have that, and none in the back there, but it's cute. I mean, you don't want it to be fetching around too many things, and it's a really cute design. I really like this. It matches. I do have a pair of tall leather boots that's this color, so probably that's why I did order this with that in mind, so that I like to match. I like to match purse and footwear. Like, they should be the same color to me, or it kind of looks odd. I mean, that's just my opinion. Everybody's different, so, but I like to match. Guys, there's actually 2 more items in that box, and they're boxed. So I think they're Christmas ornaments. It's actually 6 things in that box. Okay, so this one I'm showing you is another crossbody purse, and it is the Burgundy lace-up fringe accent crossbody bag. So I thought this was a cute color. I love these colors. This is probably for fall now because we're into spring now, so, but I mean, it's like the same style, just different fabrics, and the shape is different as well. But it's cute, and it's got the chain links there. It's cute. I like it. It's by the same brand. Zipper moves nice and freely. This one has the inside pocket, and it's tiny inside as well. This is nice. You can wear this like in the evening if you're going out somewhere nice. Really cute. I like that one. So cute. This next one is going to be an ivory floral crochet ruffle pheasant tunic in a size medium. I'm always nervous when I buy clothing because I don't know how they will fit. Because sometimes a medium fits, sometimes it doesn't. This is cute. I don't know how good I'll be able to show you guys that because, I mean, I'm standing behind the camera here. And this is by the brand Orange Creek. So it's really a cute style. The sleeve has like the little lace detailing on there. And this is the bottom of it. Back is pretty plain, but all around it has that lacy detailing, which is cute. I hope it fits nice. It might fit, hopefully, because I like the pattern. It's really a nice floral. I hope it does fit. So I've got two little boxes that were in there, and it says fragile, so we know it's going to be breakable items. And one is going to be a ceramic bell figurine, the other one is a Christmas snowman and male figurine. So I remember the bell one, but I don't remember the snowman and male, so we're gonna have to see what that looks like. So this is the snowman and male one. Now I remember this. Now I'm seeing it, I remember. And it was wrapped really good in the styrofoam, so I thought this would look cute in my Christmas village. It's by that brand Transpac. I don't know if you'll see that, but they make nice Christmas ornaments. And that's the back of it. So pretty cute. It will look cute in my... It is actually bigger than I thought. So I really like when I order things and then they turn out to be bigger than expected, because a lot of times websites will zoom in so close on objects that they seem bigger than they really are, and then when you order them they're like, oops, why is this so tiny? And then, you know, but I like when they're bigger. So that was the snowman one. Now I'll open up the other box. Okay, so this is the ceramic bell figurine. They had like 4 of them together. They were selling them in a set, but they were kind of pricey, and I kept seeing them coming back, and I said, well, you know what, one day I'm gonna buy that because they look so cute. But then I never did, and then they ended up selling this one by itself. So I said, well, okay, I will just grab one just to see what it looks like. So it's cute. I like it. I don't know how good you're seeing this stuff, but... And it's got the little... I heard it jingling in there when I was taking it out of the box. I actually love to buy things like these in pairs, but I mean, I couldn't afford a whole set, and it was like 4 in there. I needed probably just 2, but they're all different, like the top part. I think the picture as well might be a little bit different. So they're all different. This one has the snowman with the little kids playing there. I think they're building a snowman is what it is. And then there's a little tree behind them here. And then there's the snow. Really cute. This will look cute at Christmas time. So you see, I always buy a lot of Christmas ornaments. And I do have a box waiting to pack my ornaments, because I don't know if there's any more in the other boxes, but who knows, because like I said, I buy so much of this stuff. I tend to forget what I buy. I just hope I don't end up buying 2 of the same things, because that can happen, you know. But anyways, that was my Zulily unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And If you liked anything that you've seen in the video so far, you can leave some comments down below, and I will also link the SKU numbers so that if you guys want to look for these items, you can. I don't know if they will still be available because they go by event. So an event can last for 2 or 3 days and then they're gone. Sometimes if they have stock still available, you would find it when you search. I usually just search by the description instead of the SKU number. But sometimes it's done for the season and you don't get them again, like for boots and stuff like that. But Christmas ornaments, they bring them back all year. You wouldn't always get them like all the time, but every now and again you will see they'll have 1 or 2 events with Christmas ornaments, and they sell them at a good price because I mean it's not that time of year for Christmas ornaments, so you'll find that they'll be a little bit more affordable. So yeah, that was the video, guys, and I hope I can squeeze in another video pretty soon. We'll see what happens, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.